New Zealand. Just saying the name conjures up images of wild places, untouched beauty, and adventure around every corner. And trust me, this is a country that lives up to its reputation. From towering mountains to pristine beaches, from active volcanoes to ancient forests, New Zealand is a feast for the senses. The air is crisp and clean, the landscapes are diverse and dramatic, and the wildlife is both unique and abundant. I've been lucky enough to travel the world, facing down some of the most extreme environments on the planet. From the scorching deserts of Africa to the icy tundras of the Arctic. But New Zealand holds a special place in my heart. It's not just the stunning scenery that captivates you, but the spirit of the land and its people. It's a place where you can truly connect with nature, challenge yourself physically, and find peace in the solitude of its vast wilderness, and experience the raw power and beauty of the natural world. Whether you're kayaking through fjords, hiking up volcanic craters, or simply soaking in a hot spring, every moment feels like a gift. Over the next few sections, we're going to take a virtual journey to some of New Zealand's most iconic destinations. We'll explore the vibrant cities, the serene countryside, and the rugged coastlines. We'll hike through ancient forests, marvel at towering waterfalls, and discover hidden gems that only the locals know about, and come face to face with the forces that shape this incredible land. The geological wonders, the cultural heritage, and the stories of the Maori people all add layers of richness to our journey. So, pack your virtual backpack, lace up your boots, and get ready for an adventure. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a nature lover, New Zealand has something for everyone. From the North Island's geothermal wonders to the South Island's majestic fjords, every corner of this country offers a new and exciting experience. So let's dive in and explore the land of breathtaking beauty together. Our first stop takes us to the southwest corner of the South Island to a place called Fiordland National Park. This park is one of the most dramatic and beautiful regions in New Zealand, known for its rugged terrain and breathtaking vistas. This is a land carved by glaciers over millions of years where towering mountains plunge into the sea, creating a network of deep, dark fjords. These fjords are a testament to the power of nature, showcasing the raw and untamed beauty of the region. Imagine sheer cliffs rising thousands of feet straight out of the water, their faces weathered by time and the elements. Waterfalls cascading down their sides, adding to the dramatic scenery. These waterfalls are fed by the abundant rainfall in the region, creating a constant and mesmerizing display of nature's power. And seals basking on rocky outcrops, enjoying the sun and the pristine environment. The wildlife here is as diverse as the landscape, with many species calling Fiordland home. This is Fiordland, a place of raw, untamed beauty. It's a region that feels almost otherworldly, with its dramatic landscapes and untouched wilderness. One of the most iconic sights in Fiordland, and indeed in all of New Zealand, is Mitre Peak. This towering mountain is a symbol of the region's grandeur and natural beauty. Rising over 5,500 feet straight out of Milford Sound, Mitre Peak is a sight to behold. Its sheer size and presence dominate the landscape, making it a must-see for any visitor. Its distinctive shape, resembling a bishop's mitre, is instantly recognizable. This unique formation has made it one of the most photographed landmarks in New Zealand. And speaking of Milford Sound, this is one place you absolutely have to see to believe. The Sound is surrounded by towering cliffs and lush rainforests, creating a stunning contrast of colors and textures. Cruising through the Sound, surrounded by towering cliffs and cascading waterfalls, is an experience you won't soon forget. The boat tours offer a unique perspective of the landscape, allowing you to get up close to the waterfalls and cliffs. It's a journey that immerses you in the natural beauty of Fiordland, leaving you with memories that will last a lifetime. Next, we travel north to Tongariro National Park, home to 3 active volcanoes, Tongariro, Ngauruho, and Ruapehu. This is a landscape of fire and ice where volcanic peaks tower over emerald lakes and steaming vents release the Earth's inner heat. If you're up for a challenge, the Tongariro Alpine Crossing is a must-do. This 12-mile hike takes you past volcanic craters, across barren volcanic landscapes, and alongside stunning emerald lakes. It's a tough but rewarding hike that offers incredible views of the surrounding volcanic landscape. But even if you're not a hiker, there's plenty to see and do in Tongariro. You can take a scenic chairlift ride up Mount Ruapehu for panoramic views, soak in thermal hot springs, or simply marvel at the raw power of nature on display. Our journey now takes us to the heart of the Southern Alps, to Aoraki-Mount Cook National Park. This is a land of towering peaks, glaciers, and permanent snowfields, a true alpine wilderness. At the heart of the park stands Aoraki-Mount Cook, New Zealand's tallest mountain. Reaching a height of 12,218 feet, Aoraki-Mount Cook is a sight to behold. Its snow-capped peak seems to pierce the heavens, a testament to the raw power of nature. Whether you're an experienced mountaineer or simply an admirer of nature's grandeur, Aoraki-Mount Cook National Park has something to offer everyone. Take a scenic flight over the Southern Alps, hike to a glacier viewpoint, or simply soak up the views from the comfort of your car. Section 5. Abel Tasman, Golden Sands and Coastal Trails. From the mountains, we now head to the coast, to Abel Tasman National Park, a place where nature's beauty is on full display. Located at the top of the South Island, Abel Tasman is a place of golden beaches, turquoise waters, and lush coastal forests. This park is a haven for those seeking tranquility and adventure alike. The Abel Tasman Coast Track is one of New Zealand's great walks, and for good reason. This track is renowned for its breathtaking scenery and diverse landscapes. This 37-mile track winds its way along the coast, offering stunning views of the Tasman Sea, golden beaches, and lush coastal forests. As you walk, you'll encounter secluded bays and inlets, perfect for a quiet moment of reflection. You can hike the entire track, which typically takes 3 to 5 days, or just do a section as a day trip. Each segment of the trail offers its own unique charm and beauty. Either way, you're in for a treat. The park is teeming with wildlife, and you might spot seals, dolphins, and a variety of bird species along your journey. Be sure to take a dip in the crystal-clear waters, kayak along the coast, or simply relax on the beach and soak up the sun. The waters here are perfect for swimming, and the beaches are ideal for a leisurely picnic. As the day comes to an end, don't miss the stunning sunsets that paint the sky in hues of orange and pink, casting a magical glow over the landscape. Abel Tasman National Park is truly a coastal paradise, offering an unforgettable experience for all who visit. Section 6. Rotorua, the Earth Breathes. Our final destination takes us to Rotorua, located in the heart of the North Island. Rotorua is a land of geothermal wonders, where geysers erupt, mud pools bubble, and the air is thick with the smell of sulfur. Rotorua is also a center of Maori culture, and you'll have the opportunity to experience traditional Maori performances, learn about Maori history and culture, and even enjoy a hangi, a traditional Maori feast cooked underground. Be sure to visit Te Puia, a geothermal park where you can see the Pohutu geyser erupt up to 100 feet into the air. You can also take a walk through the Wakarowarewa forest, home to towering California redwoods. Section 7. What adventure awaits next? So there you have it, a taste of the incredible scenic beauty that New Zealand has to offer. From towering mountains and glaciers to golden beaches and geothermal wonders, New Zealand has something for everyone. But this is just a small taste of what this amazing country has to offer. There are so many other incredible places to explore, from the rugged west coast to the sunny Hawke's Bay. So tell me, what part of New Zealand are you most excited to explore? Let me know in the comments below. Section 8. Join the adventure. If you enjoyed this virtual journey through New Zealand's breathtaking scenery, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more adventure travel content. Your support helps me to keep creating videos like this and share my passion for exploration with the world. Section 9. A note on language and accessibility. I've tried to use simple and clear language throughout this essay to make it accessible to as many people as possible. My goal is to share my love of adventure and the great outdoors with everyone, regardless of their background or reading level. Section 10. Setting the mood music for your journey. To enhance your experience, I recommend listening to some upbeat and happy background music while reading this essay. Music can help to set the mood and transport you to the beautiful landscapes of New Zealand. Section 11. Conclusion. New Zealand is a country that will stay with you long after you've left its shores. Its raw beauty, friendly people, and sense of adventure are truly unforgettable. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your own New Zealand adventure today.